I got it. So I'm going to be trying this tonight. And it's a collagen deep face mask patch. The instructions tell me that I need to leave it between 3 and 4 hours or until it turns transparent. But it also says that it's best to leave it overnight. So it says that I need to put the bottom first. I hope I don't scare my husband tonight. I always scare him, so it's no big deal. So it comes with a bit really wet, and it comes with 2 layers of like a cover, a plastic cover. So this is half of it. And we're gonna go ahead and put, and it feels soft, almost like a gummy bear kind of, but wet. So we're putting the half first. I've been looking to try this for so long, and for one reason or another one, I would just not get them. But I'm 61 years old and I need all the help I can get. Okay, so now we're going to get the other half. Here we go. Oh, it feels cool. It feels kind of nice. This will be perfect like when I have one of those migraine headaches. Oop. Do you suffer from migraine headaches? Why don't you write in the comments if you do, and what do you do to relieve the tension of the pain? So here it is. I'm gonna go to sleep overnight with it, and so I guess I will see you in the morning. Good night. Okay, this is the day after, and this is how it looks. It's hard. It feels like a parchment paper on my face. It's completely dry, and it's just coming off all in one piece. It completely dried, except for this little area, but this is how my face looks, nice and shiny. I wouldn't know what to say until maybe later today, once I wash my face. The result that I noticed today after wearing makeup all day is that the deepness that I have here, like the dark circles that I have, it looks less. This is supposed to be collagen. The lines here, I don't see much difference, but I can tell on this side of my face that is smoother and more filled. And this here, it feels like I'm having a problem writing here, and it feels like this area around my lips is dropping, and I can see like a lift or a feel of collagen writing here. So that's the results that I have seen so far. I need to try it a few more times before I can say anything. So thank you for watching my videos, and have a blessed afternoon. Blessings.